What's up, guys?
The other day, I was online shopping and I saw some cool shoes, and I was like, wow, those are some dope ass shoes. So I went on their website to see how much they were, and they were $215, which isn't bad. And as I was reading, the shipping time is 4 to 6 weeks. Like, girl, I ain't trying to wait 4 to 6 weeks.
So, as you guys can see, I was in a bit of a pickle because I really wanted these shoes, but I wasn't gonna wait 6 weeks to get them. I want them now. So, I took it upon myself to try to make them, and I did, and they came out super poppin'. They came out fire, bro. These shoes are so sick. So if you want to know how I made them, just keep watching. So the things that y'all are going to need to buy are some reflective vinyl paper that's already been cut into lightning shapes, and you need 4 in total. You're also going to need these transfer sheets. I'll leave all the items down in the description box so y'all can go check them out. And then you guys are also going to need some spray-on sealant just to seal off the shoes. And I didn't put that in the video because the sealant wasn't here yet, but I'll put it in the description so you guys can go check it out. And then obviously your Air Forces.
So put your image in a Word document and make it 2 inches tall, and then just go ahead and print it out. Here I'm just cutting all the characters out as close to the edge as possible. Then I'm just peeling back the paper, and this is what they're gonna look like. I put Naruto where I want him, and I'm just going around with the curling iron, sticking him on where I want him. I'm just going around the whole silhouette, making sure everything is stuck and well heated. You don't have to use a curling iron. I would actually probably advise you to use a heat gun, but I didn't have a heat gun, so curling iron it is. And I'm also doing the same thing with Sasuke, just putting him where I want him and making sure that the sticker is all evenly heated and glued down to the shoe. With the help of the X-Acto blade, I'm just going around all the crevices of the shoe, making sure that all pieces of the sticker are all tucked in to the little nooks and crannies. For this step, I just got my piece of vinyl and then I started peeling off the negative space around the lightning. Then, the same as we did before, we're just going to place the vinyl onto the shoe and heat it up with a curling iron, making sure it's well and stuck. Here, I'm just going back over the details and cutting off pieces that I didn't really like and adjusting those pieces. And then later you can see here that I'm going back with the iron and helping to glue on those extra pieces. This part is very tedious, so you need to be careful because the vinyl is very fragile. So you just want to start to peel the plastic backing off, and the vinyl isn't going to be 100% stuck to the shoe, and that's okay because we can always just go back and heat it up. But you just want to be really careful that you don't peel off or damage the vinyl. I'm just going to go over some details with the X-Acto knife, cutting off extra pieces. And then I'm also going to go back with the iron and heat up those pieces that didn't quite get on. Repeating the same process as before, peeling off the negative space of the vinyl and placing it on the shoe. This is what it looks like. I know I didn't show that in the previous clip, but this is what it's going to look like. And then you can just trim it around as I did here. It didn't quite fit in his hand, so I'm just going to go ahead and trim around that so it can better fit the shoe. Once that was all trimmed up, I really liked the way that shape was, so I just went ahead and put it back on, and again I'm going to go back with the iron and thoroughly melt all of it. So again, you want to be really careful with this part when you're peeling it off. Here I'm just cutting off the excess. Right here you can see that I had a little bit of lifting, with the vinyl, but that's okay. I can just go back and melt it. And then I'm just going back around the shoe and doing some finishing details, just cutting all around the shoe, cutting off the excess, and fixing up some minor details. I had an extra piece of lining that I had cut off earlier, so I'm just going to go ahead and add that back in for some extra detail. Voila, this is how they came out. Word! Who would have thought these shoes would have come out so fucking cool? These are dope, y'all. Y'all go ahead and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. I'll drop all the links down in the description box. Go follow me there, check it out.
Alright guys, that concludes this video. A huge shout out to you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Feel free to drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.